Paulie, what have you got going on tonight, huh? What's shaking? I'm not sure you had any of the macaroni cheese from Thanksgiving, so you can see if you like that. Just don't be too loud because the girls are already asleep. Was that good? You like it? Yeah? Cool. I already know you don't like candy cane. You want to try York peppermint patty? What's that like? No? You don't like it? Come here. Come here. Whoops, I didn't mean to fall right there. It's a rat. All right. I'm going to go ahead and dump your water really quick, okay? No, sir. No, sir. No. No. Get your butt up here right now. Don't you do that to me, Paulie. Good boy, Paulie. There he is. And that's the good, gentle rooster that I know. I think I was taking your water source away or something. Jeez, Paulie. This is where Paulie needs more hens. 3 is not enough for Paulie. He is not able to exert all of his energy. I'm very serious. He's not able to exert enough of his energy each day from operating a 3-hen farm. Paulie is a big boy in town right now, and I'm actually wearing a sweater from when I was a little girl. I mean, what are the odds of that? Anyway, Paulie's a big boy in town. And he needs, and this is also just one of my Great Gatsby hats I was just playing around with tonight. Kind of a fun hat, yes? Anyway, I like hats. And I love my rooster, Paulie. So Paulie, come on over here. Come on. All right. Is that good? Is that here? You want more? Come here. Come here. There's some more. I know, it's always like a... He's so smart. He knows. It's like when you go to give your dog a pill and they spit the pill out because they know. Paulie knows I'm trying to pick him up right now, but at the same time, it's also what he wants. Here. He wants me to pick him up because he loves this time of night. And now he wants to play chase. All right, we can play chase. Here. Paulie, ready? 1, 2, 3, over there. Get Paulie. Come on. I'm gonna get Paulie. I'm gonna get Paulie. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Come on. Come on. You want Paulie? Come on. All right, now that was ridiculous. And fun. And funny. Come on, Paulie. Come on here for this minute. I'm going to go ahead and close up, all right? Yeah. Close up, Paulie. Close up. He's fluffing up, getting ready for bedtime. Bloody sister wants to hold him first. Good boy. That's right. Up. All right, look who I got here. I got Paulie, right? That's all he wants. I say it every single night that I pick Paulie up. I say, and it's true, like this literal, like 5 minutes long, 10 minutes at the most, that I spend with Paulie at night. That's all he wants from me all day long, is 10 minutes. He doesn't want me any other time during the day. He's attacking me every other time of day. And if I wasn't holding him like this right now, he'd probably be attacking me also. So it's just called, I don't know, rooster love, right? He's a good boy, and he brings a whole lot of laughter to our whole family. I mean, he's photogenic, he takes pictures well, and I just love Paulie. So I'm gonna try tonight, instead of my shoulder, to start with, my leg, since my leg's already here. I've never done that with Paulie. So let's see how he does here. We just gotta get a good hold, see? You got that, Paulie? This is where I say abs to core. So I need to stand up tall and make sure my leg is firm. And now Paulie is free riding. Yay for Paulie, look. That's a good job, see? I don't even have to hold you anymore. I can just talk like this with you. But then I don't want you to fly away. Not just yet. Please, not just yet. Let's see if we can get you on my shoulder, okay? Okay, you got it, you got it. Whoa, Paulie. Paulie, whoops. I was just pulling his tail feathers, sorry. Okay, this didn't work out quite as I planned at all. But let's go ahead and utilize this time, right, Paulie, to do the yoga. Good job, Paulie. Look at him. He's doing yoga. Okay, so that's fun, Paulie. All right. Well, are you gonna turn around? Paulie. 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 Good boy. Look at Paulie. There he is. Look at my Paulie boy. Big boy. Now he's got to just come up my shoulder. You got to come up. Up, up. Up, up. Good job. You got it. You got it. There he goes. Look. Look. What a big bird this is. Paulie, I am impressed. All right. Job well done. Whoa, I hope you didn't just hurt yourself, huh? Good job, Paulie. What do you say? Come here, you want some more of the macaroni and cheese? Good job, Paulie, huh? He's so smart. He's such a smart rooster. I just love my Paulie. Yes, I do. I love my rooster so much that I do video him every single day as much as I can because I love him that much. Right, Paulie? Where you going, buddy? OMG. He's like, I am not ready for bed yet. All right, Paulie. You know the rules.